creative art. I am Nilima, bringing you the best art tutorials on YouTube. So if you're an art lover, do consider subscribing this channel so you don't miss any updates on the recent art forms. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you everything that I bought from Itsy Bitsy website for the festive season and what I planned for my next month upcoming tutorials. Also, I will be doing unboxing on the package I got from Itsy Bitsy, appreciating what I make out of it. List of all these materials with their links will be provided in the description box below so that you can buy them online. And friends, while shopping online, do remember to use my code, which is Nilima5, Nilima5, to get additional 5% off on all your purchases from Itsy Bitsy website. Now let's start with the unboxing. So here are the three packagings I have received from Itsy Bitsy. So the first box is from Itsy Bitsy as a Ganesha festival gift. This is my ordered pack and that is my ordered pack. So I'm going to open all these three parcels in front of you. Now let's open the big package we received from Itsy Bitsy for Ganesha festive season. And wow! Here we got a letter from Itsy Bitsy saying, "Dear artist, we want to take this opportunity to appreciate your commendable work. We are impressed to see how you inspire so many people with your unique creative ideas. We love your creative expression and want to see you create more with our art and craft supplies." Wow, the letter seems great. I have to read it all. But now let's move on with what we have received. So first here we have a filament decoupage paper with a beautiful print of Lord Ganesha. I think this packet have two filament papers. This is a smaller size of the same print and this is the big one. It looks so beautiful. I love this color. There are two different designs that you can buy of the same filament paper. I'll keep it right here. Next, my favorite kit for this festive season, which is mold and make natural clay Ganesha. Last year I did make 2 to 3 tutorials using the same molding kit and it turned out really beautiful. Do check it out. I'll mention it in the description box below. Next here we have a Ganesha stencil. I always wanted this for my festive season. This is really easy to use and you can create so many different things with this beautiful stencil. Next, I have got Deco Magic Premium Decoupage Glue. I always love to use the glossy version and I have got the glossy version. 2 packs of paint. This one is tinted metallic paint. Gold glaze is really important for festive season. And next here I have chalk paint. I think this is maroon color. Yeah, I think this is a thali for Aarti. It looks so cute, made up of MDF. I love the design on the sides. This is the new stock for this season. I think this is the newest thing we have got. It is approximately 8 inches and definitely thickness is more than 1 centimeter definitely. And as it is quite thick, it is going to last long. We have got this 2 rings. This is for hoop rings. We can make use of it. Okay. Next is a MDF board. It is maybe 8 into 10 inches, thickness 5 mm. Okay, let's keep it here. And next here we have got MDF Puja Mandap. It's like a mini stage which you can build in 3 steps and place god or goddesses to do puja and aarti. This is really creative. I like it, and this is reusable. You can construct it, and then once the festive is over, you can also deconstruct it, wrap it up, pack it up in the same way, then use it for the next festive season. So this is a really nice thing, and I would definitely prefer to use this again and again. So these are all the things that I got from Itsy Bitsy. So now friends, let me show you what I got in my big parcel which I ordered from Itsy Bitsy. Now this is everything that I have bought and I'm going to need for next month festive season. First of all, let's start with the delicate pieces I have here, which is deco transfer sheets. So here I have got a Ganesha sheet. This is Animal Adore sheet. I always wanted this print. Finally, I got it now. I absolutely love all the adorable faces in this print. All of them look cute. You cannot deny buying this. So I finally got this after a long time now. And these two are beautiful prints. This is Tea Time Melodies and this one is Bikes and Blooms. Both of them look beautiful. I bought these 3 sheets especially to make resin coasters, and I'm going to show you how to use them in my next upcoming tutorial. And this beautiful Ganesha print sheet is for the festive season, of course. Next, I have got this beautiful filament decoupage paper sheets for the festive season. There are more 2 different prints. You can pick your best choice. Now we'll keep this aside. I already shown you these 3. The first is MDF Puja Mandap to build up the stage for puja. Next is Aarti Thali. Again, I'm going to do both of this in my next tutorial, so keep following. My next purchases for the festive season is this beautiful sparkly doli. Generally, people do like to keep a diya in the center of this doli, but you can also use this one as a chakra to place it behind the mukut of a god. It really looks very pretty. This is what I'm going to do this time. So this is it. Next, I have a block print. I always wanted this, and this is perfect for Ganesha festival. You can use this one to print on paper as well as on fabric, and I'm going to do this on my chunni for this festive season. Next, I have also got needles. These are 2 big size needles to make the genda phool mala. You know, we definitely need this, and I got it from Itsy Bitsy, so they almost have everything you need for this festive season. Next, other than that, a common observation that you can see is a lot of clock going on, and I was planning this from a long time. I wanted my own clock for sculpture painting, fluid art, resin art. There is a lot of clock making going on, and I definitely wanted to do that myself. So as soon as this was on my mind, I got this new range of everything make your own clock from Itsy Bitsy. I purchased each and every item because most of them were on 50% discount, and due to that I saved a lot. So first of all, if I want to start, I'll start from chalk paint. They are on 30% discount. I correctively selected all my preferences. I actually planned what I want to make, and then I selected the colors I need for my clock making. So here is acrylic chalk paint. This is pink ballet. Next one is, they do have some cute names, Misty Rose and French Rose. So these 3 we can pair them in one painting. Next is Sandstone and Butternut Squash. They do have cute names. These 2 will go with this Snow White acrylic paint. And one more is Whipping Sea Foam. This is a really unique color, and this goes with a lot of other colors, so I did buy this one. Next is the mixed media paste 2-in-1 gesso modeling paste white. You definitely need to buy a gesso plus modeling paste because you're going to work with MDF, and I have almost so many things to work with MDF, so this is the one you need as a primer. Again, a flathead paintbrush. Next are the tinted metallic paint. I have red poppy, then fired brick paint, metallic gold paint and metallic silver paint. This is Deco Magic Premium Deco Page Glue, glossy one. So now I have got 2 bottles. Other than clocks, I was next planning to make a few resin coasters. So I did buy 6 to 8 round coasters, MDF coasters. These are light in weight, and if you're going to do resin, it is definitely going to increase the weight. So try to buy the thin coasters. There are 2 different types available. I have bought thin coasters. So I'm planning to do deco transfer sheet, the adorable animal print on these coasters, and next I'm going to try those beautiful blossoms and bicycle prints on these coasters. So for these coasters, I have also got Expo resin. So this is one of the best resins in market because it has very less disadvantages. Plus, you don't need an electronic scale to calculate this resin, as it can be calculated just by volume. So you can simply use a scooping spoon or a measuring spoon to measure this resin. I'll keep this aside. And now finally, let's come to the clock. I did buy a lot of different designs because it was on discount, so I did that. First, I'll get on with the numbers. So here I have acrylic clock number, acrylic clock tick markers, different sizes, different designs. Then I have got this small MDF numbers. This is like 10 rupees each numbers. Then I have got these big numbers. You know, when there is a new release, you do have discount, plus you get everything in stock. So I make this kind of purchases. I really feel happy when you get everything in just one place. I don't have to go shop to shop to buy a single screw or a hanger or even this clock keys and then MDF board dials. I'm so pleased that they just got everything at one spot. So this is screw. You have got different sizes of screw. This is my first time I'm going to do it in home by myself. So I almost ordered all different sizes because I don't know what I'm going to need. For this mechanical part, I have got this wall mount box. I think it's empty, in which you have to place this kind of clock machine. Now again, you have got 1, 2, 3, 4 different sizes of clock machine. So according to your clock making, you need to put the machine and then you have to check which one. I have to check which one fits in this box. This will be easier for me to hang the heavy mounted MDF boards on the wall. Generally people do get difficulty, what should we use? So this is the one good packaging thing you can use. I bought 2 boxes of it. Then I got so many different clock hands, different designs. This one is the biggest one. You can see 1, 2. I think this red one will go with this one and this one, and I think this red one will go with both of them. Okay, next here we have MDF cutout dials. You usually don't find it everywhere, just in the craft shops, but I'm so glad this time they have got so many different sizes of clock dials which we can pick and select according to our shape of base or MDF, according to size of our base or MDF. So I have got 2 different sizes. This is 8 inches and the second one is 10 inches. Again, I got them on discount. Now let's come to the main part, which I'm telling you from the starting, that I'm planning to make my own clocks. So I almost bought all different types. First one, which attracted me the most, is acrylic clock face mirror finish. It actually has this beautiful gold mirror finish and you can see the reflection of my wall on it. So this is the first one, round piece. If I like it, I'll buy more. Next is the acrylic clock clear round. I think this is 12 inches. This is going to be great for resin art because this is transparent, and if you use transparent pigments for resin, this is a great option. Next is the heavy one, literally so heavy. This is a 12-inch dial. Face round 18 mm, costed $3.99, but I bought it on discount, so it may be less. This is quite heavy, really heavy, quite thick. You can guess it must be at least 2 cm in thickness. Definitely I bought this one for making sculpture painting clock. And we have also got perfect size of dial for it. Okay, there are more smaller size of dial. I do have that. This is how it looks. Clock making MDF clock face round piece 1. You also have got a hanging spot right here, and then you also got this square place so that you can place this clock machine. Wow, they're cut exactly to the size of this clock machine. That's great. Next here I have few lightweighted things. This one is PVC clock face around one piece. Clock makers. Again, this costed me really less. This one is 14-inch in diameter, round 6 mm white PVC clock face. It's $2.99, but I got it on discount. Next one is the same. It looks the same, but it is a little heavier than the PVC because this one is clock face white round one piece, and this is an acrylic piece, so it does cost twice of this one. On the back side of the manual, you will find what are the other things you're going to need for this clock, like clock hands, clock movement, wall mounting, metal hook, clock screw tool, and clock numbers. So these are all the things you're going to need. Next one is PVC clock face. This one is lighter as compared to this acrylic round base, but this one is also thicker. We have got two different thicknesses in this PVC clock face. First one is 6 mm, the next one is 12 mm, definitely twice of this one. This one also has a cutting on the back side, so you can place your clock machine which will correctly fit in it. You got all the instructions, numbers, and the thickness of this one. This piece is great. Again, $5.99. So the cost of this piece and the acrylic piece is same. This one costed me less. So here are all the different clock faces I got, starting from 10-inch, 12-inch, 14-inch. Then I also have got 18-inch and 16-inch clock face. So I have got all the different types and different sizes of clock faces which I plan for my future, and I did buy it in one time because you can get everything available when there is a product launch, or later on maybe I have to wait for the exact size or the exact material. So I did buy everything at a time. Next, which I always wanted to do, is a sand clock with this seashells. So I got sand. Yes, you can buy sand from Itsy Bitsy. This was on, I think, 50% discount when I bought it. Then there is also textured sand. This is actually white color sand. So this is actual sand color. This is textured sand. And I got a packet of mixed seashells. So I already said you there are 3 to 4 different tutorials we are going to make using all these materials. So make sure to follow my channel Creative Art and do subscribe and do press the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming tutorials on festive season, on make your own clock or make your own DIY coasters, a resin clock, resin art, sculpture painting on clock. So these are all the different topics we're going to do in our upcoming tutorials. I hope you did like this tutorial, so do check out all the links of all these materials from the description box below so you can buy them online and avail additional 5% off by using Nilima5, which is my code. Have a happy and fruitful day. Thank you for watching.